Hi, I'm Catriona Starpins, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about a workshop that I'm going to be teaching at the Melbourne Bead Expo. It's called Diamond Lace, and we'll just take a look now on my bead mat and see what we'll be making. So this is the third colorway in this design. The first two colorways are actually already listed on the Bead Society website. This is the purple and gold colorway. So I've just put out the beads here that we're using. We're using some fire polish beads, some 4mm fire polish, some 2-hole Gemduos beads, and 2 size 8 seed beads. And with all of these things combined and 1 multi-strand clasp, you will get this gorgeous bracelet. It's very flat and so silky and flexible, very maneuverable and very comfortable to wear. So if you'd like to join me to do this class, it's going to be at the Melbourne Bead Expo on the Saturday, the 26th of November this year, 2022. The class runs between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. and it's going to be at the Box Hill Town Hall. So it's close to public transport for those who don't drive, and it's also has some street parking available around the building and down the back near the station as well. Or you can also park at Box Hill Central and walk if you wanted to. You might want to do some shopping there too. The other fabulous thing about the Melbourne Bead Expo is all of the suppliers that you'll get to see and meet in person. So there'll be lots of bead shops, including Cranberry, which I work at. So you'll get to come along, see some of the traders in person that you might usually only buy online from, and then do some classes. So this is the class I'll be doing, and I really hope to see you there. Thanks so much for coming along, and happy beading. Bye.